Now we'll talk about the marketing mix. In our last chapter, in our first chapter, we have studied about the marketing, which involves all the activities related to the market. Now, what is marketing mix? Marketing mix consists of 4 P's. Okay, product, price, promotion, and place. What is this product, price, promotion, and place? The marketing plans involve different decisions concerning several elements. Now these elements are the product to be sold, the price to be charged, the method of distributing the product, and the techniques of promoting sale. Now what is the meaning of marketing mix? Marketing mix, when a customer want to satisfy his needs, the firm must develop an appropriate marketing mix. Marketing mix refer to the combination of 4 basic elements. What are these 4 basic elements? The elements are the product, the price structure, the promotional activities, and the distribution system. The product means what? Which product to be produced? The price means what price to be charged by the consumer, and promotional activities means what ways to be adopted to convince the customers to buy the product, and the distribution system means the place where all these products are to be sold. A famous economist, William Stanton, he told that he gave the definition that marketing mix is a combination of 4 elements: product, price, distribution system, and promotional activity used to satisfy the need of an organizational target markets, and at the same time achieve its marketing goal. From the first chapter, I have been continuously explaining that what a product, why the product is being produced. Why the product is being produced? The product is produced to satisfy the needs of a customer. Okay, now the price of the product will be appropriate to them, then only they will buy it out. And if it is available to them in their places, it will be well and good for them, so they will go. And the promotion, from where they are getting to know it out. Now we are shifting towards the now why marketing mix is important. It is important due to following reasons. It is decided, first one, it is decided keeping in view the needs and desire of the target group of the customers. Therefore it helps the firm in increasing the sale and the profit. Okay, over here it means that the customer what he want, the manufacturer he will produce that thing. Second one, it maintain a balance between various elements which are interrelated. Therefore marketing mix represent an integrated approach to the market. That is, it maintain a balance between the buyer and the seller. Buyer wants something, but the seller he is not having that product, what he will buy it out. So it maintain a balance between the buyer and the seller. Third one, it serves as a link between the business firm and its customer. It helps in pursuing customer oriented marketing. Now what is this customer oriented marketing? Customer oriented marketing means what? The manufacturer will manufacture the product related to the customers want, what they want. Suppose I want an apple, and the seller he is providing me with the banana. It is okay with me? No, it won't be okay with me, because what I want, the customer want, that only thing he has to provide to me. Okay, this means the customer oriented marketing. Now the fourth one, marketing mix is changed with change in the requirement of customer. It helps in maintaining an equilibrium between the business firm and its marketing environment. Obviously it's changed with the changing requirement of the customer. Now customer wants during summer season, they want ice cream. Okay, now from where they will get? From different places they have to provide the ice cream to them, or from the places where it is being manufactured they have to provide it to the common market, so that the customer would buy it out. Okay, now we are coming towards the element of marketing. Today I'll tell you about the product mix, price mix, places or physical distribution mix, and promotional mix. Okay, what is the element? element. Now we'll study deeply. Okay, first one we are coming towards the product mix. Product mix. Product mix refers to the combination of various features relating to the product or services to be offered for sale. Okay, now product what a manufacturer offer it to the market for the customers. It involves decision concerning the quality, size, range, packages, brand name, label, warranty, and a service. Whenever you go to buy a product, what it contains, it is in the packet, it has the brand name, it has the content, it has the useful its merits and demerits. You have seen the product that packet or not? If not seen, today only see it out. These product related activities are directed usually at a specific group of customer called the target market. Now target market means what? The product which is being manufactured for the particular type of a for the particular type of the customers. Like luxurious products are for whom? For the rich people, and the necessities product are for whom? For the common people. Rather than a consumer at large, consumer consider a product as a bundle of satisfaction rather than a physical item. That is, the buyer of a washing machine wants speed, comfort, and trouble-free operation rather than just a box of metal, plastic, and electrical component. Okay. Now, price mix I'll explain you tomorrow.